Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. It's Saturday, so I was planning on waking up super early today. I had my alarm set for like 7 and 8 a.m. I think. Guess who snoozed all the way until 10:30 a.m.? That's right, that's me. So it's okay, I woke up a little bit later than I wanted to, but again, it's Saturday. I don't have anything planned today. The biggest thing I want to do is clean the house. But before we do that, we need some energy, so we're gonna make some coffee. Oh my god, not me like literally throwing things everywhere. I bought this yesterday at Whole Foods. This is the coffee that I usually go for when I buy cold brew that's like pre-packaged. It's Chameleon. This is the espresso kind and it was on sale for like $10. Pour some coffee in there. Got my Oatly. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oat milk into the coffee. In this pitcher, I'm gonna foam up some cold foam. I'm gonna add this Trader Joe's vanilla bean paste. I love this stuff. But whenever Trader Joe's comes out with it, I always just buy in bulk so that I can have it year round because I'm pretty sure it's seasonal. So I'm just gonna add a little bit in here. I think that's like either a teaspoon or a tablespoon. You tell me. And then I'm gonna add my oat milk. A little frother. Make sure all the vanilla bean is like fully incorporated into the milk. Okay, it's nice and foamy now. Let's just pour that on top. Oh my goodness, that looks so beautiful. Made at home. Delicious. I am planning on doing a lot of cleaning around the apartment. There's a lot that needs to get done. Dishes have been piling up. I need to put them in through the dishwasher. And then we want to clean the bathroom because the bathroom is kind of gross. The maintenance man came in yesterday to like try and fix the hot water, and in the midst of fixing it, like the bathroom got really gross. Yeah, this is all the dishes we have to do. Switch cameras because my other one just died and I'm charging it now. I finished cleaning most of the kitchen and I got hungry, so before I'm cleaning the bathroom, I made myself some lunch. I made a delicious turkey sandwich and I have 3 huge strawberries on the side that I'm gonna eat. As always, we've got a seltzer and today I'm drinking a lime bubbly. So freaking good. I don't know what it is about a lime seltzer. It's just so crisp, refreshing. My favorite thing in the world. I'm gonna finish my sandwich and then I'm gonna get started on the bathroom. Okay, I edited a video for TikTok so I could put that up, and now I'm ready to clean the bathroom. Okay, I think I got it all out. Okay, last one. Now it's all out. Before I made lunch and ate it, I put some cleaning products. I like sprayed it on so that it could like kind of marinate and get all of the grime and gunk out. And it's been sitting on there for at least like an hour or so. So now I'm ready to scrub it up. Let's get started. Hi guys. Okay, so it is many hours later. It is currently 4 o'clock. I finished cleaning everything, my kitchen and my bathroom, and vacuuming kind of like all the common areas. Surprisingly, today has been pretty productive thus far. Like, I've been kind of like doing things since the morning and I actually got out of bed. The past like 2 or 3 Saturdays, I have been just rotting in bed and sleeping all day. So this is different for me on a typical Saturday, but I'm feeling really good about it and I'm actually really happy because now I feel like I can have the rest of the evening to really relax and just chill. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And as I was cleaning the bathroom, my Amazon package arrived. So let's unbox all of these now. I have one large bag and I'm pretty sure these are the yoga pants that I purchased. First is these Lululemon yoga pants dupes. They are in the gray color and it feels nice. They have this cute detail on the front where like it's crisscross, and I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be high-waisted. I got them in an extra large. Okay. Second thing I got, I'm pretty sure this is a bra. This one reminds me of kind of like the Uniqlo bras. I don't know what they're called, but I know that Uniqlo has bras that are very similar to these. The thing about Uniqlo is that they tend to run a little small, and so I don't think that they have anything that really fits me well, but that's what this one looks like. I'm pretty sure I got this in an extra large as well, and yeah, I hope it's comfortable because there's not supposed to be any underwire. Yeah, there's no underwire, so it's supposed to fit like a sports bra, but also have like good padding and enough support so that it feels like a regular bra. I bought just like a regular pink t-shirt. I'm pretty sure this was on sale. It's huge. Okay, I got a 3XL in this t-shirt because I wanted something that I could just wear around the house, and I did not think that it was going to be this big. This is quite large. It'll be a really comfortable shirt to wear at home and just sleep in. I have 2 more packages, and I'm pretty sure there are press-on nails in both of them. Okay, so I got 3 boxes of press-on nails because I couldn't figure out which ones I wanted. This one is a short mint green oval shaped from Glamnetics. And then another one from Glamnetics that I got, I think these are pretty popular, but it's the confetti short almond. It's basically like French tips, but in this really cute pastel color. I feel like this is going to be perfect for spring, so I think I might try these on first. And then the next one I got was from a brand that I've never heard before, but it was super cheap on Amazon. I think it's called BT Art Box, and this is kind of like the glazed donut, but I'm pretty sure these are actually cat eye glitter, not chrome glitter. It looks like this. Good morning. It is Sunday. You know what that means. It is gym day with my friend Kat. If you're new here, you probably don't know. I go to the gym with my friend Kat almost every Sunday. We just have a friendship day where we hang out at the gym, go to the sauna, and then usually we have some lunch or something afterwards as well. So right now it is 9:30. I have to meet her by 10:30, and I need to quickly eat my breakfast. Today we have a hash brown, chicken sausage, an egg, and then my usual coffee. I'm gonna need to leave in about 30-ish or so minutes, and I also don't want to be like super full by the time I get to the gym, so I want to be able to like digest all of it. Yummy. I think I want to work out my legs today because the last few times I've been at the gym, I've done my arms and like shoulders and back, and I haven't done lower body in a while, so we'll probably do some squats on the squat rack. Hi, Kat! Hi! Oh my god, look at that coffee she got. It's like a caramel coffee. Yeah. And it's hot. Look at how cute that cup is though. I love it. It looks like a hot toddy cup. So we finished at the gym. We had a wonderful hour of working out, and then we did some sauna, did the shower. We came to this Colombian restaurant. I believe it's Colombian. It's called I'm gonna say it incorrectly because there's a tilde on top of the N, and I don't know how to do the emphasis, but it's El Penol. I think that they have one location in East Boston, and they opened a second one this year in Brookline, and Kat and I have been wanting to come here because we've heard such good things about it. I got a carne asada plate, so just grilled steak. It's gonna come with some plantains, some rice, some beans, and then also ordered a, ooh, it came! That was so fast. How crazy. That, like, we literally just ordered. Yeah. This is, oh, what was it called? Pastel de pollo? Yes. Open the inside. Oh, I did. Oh, that looks so good. Is there potatoes in here?
I think so.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're gonna put some pico. And then let's squirt some of this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The sauce is really good. Maybe it's like a slightly spicy tomatoey crema.
Yeah.
Holy crap, look at this food that I got. I got the carne asada. Comes with some grilled green plantains, rice and beans, a salad. Delicious. And it's still so tender. The marinade is delicious. Oh my god. I thought they were gonna give me a real salad, but they gave me coleslaw and potato salad, which I'm not mad about. You gotta try that. There's like egg in it. It's like an egg and potato, and there's like ham or something. Like, it's really yummy. There's too much food for me. Okay. I like the coleslaw as well. It's like a little acidic, so it adds like a little bit of like tang to the food. We've got rice and beans, one of my favorite staples. Everything's falling. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, not my favorite beans, but it's still very good. Plantains. I wish I had hot sauce. I'll use the crema. I love plantains, they're so yummy. We're gonna enjoy our lunch, have a little chit chat. See you later. Hi friends, it's been a while since I checked in. I think I left off when I was with Kat. We were at lunch. We had a delicious lunch at El Pinol, and then we walked to, I think, Fenway area. We wanted to go to the Target and the Sephora, but they were closed because it's Easter. So we just kind of hung around for a little bit, and then we split up. I got home. Now it's 5, and my friend is hosting a little Easter dinner tonight. We don't really celebrate Easter, but it's just like a gathering, you know, an excuse to get together and have some friendship time. And so I'm going to go out to my friend's house, but before I do that, I need to feed my cat. So let's get her dinner all set. We're gonna start off with one of these dental treats. I usually give it to her as an appetizer. This is like an old yogurt container, and I'm gonna take some goat milk and put like half a teaspoon in there. Got some semi-hot water. Gonna put that in there. And this is good for some extra hydration. And then for her base, I always use Tiki Cat. Tiki Cat After Dark is the best cat food in my opinion. All right, and I usually give her about half of the can, which is about 77 grams. I like to weigh it out to make sure that she's getting the amount she needs. I'm also going to add these chicken hearts into her bowl. I just give her one. There we go. And then we of course have to add the goat milk. And that's it. Let's go feed her. I don't know if you can hear her. Oh my god, she goes crazy for her food. Sit, please. Good girl. Sit. Oh, you're so good. There you go. She's so sweet. Now I have to clean up before I go. So let's just throw this away. When I have half of the can left, I like to use the silicone topper to just use, and then I put it in the refrigerator. I don't know where I got this. Probably Amazon. I've got all my things. I pretty much just need to fill up my water cup, and then I'm going to, I think I'm gonna walk there as opposed to take the bus because it's really nice outside, so might as well get my steps in. I will see you at my friend's. Look at this spread that my friend made. Wow. So I made it to my friend Elena's house. Her house is freaking beautiful. I have to show y'all like the corners of this house. She is an interior decorator for sure. And we have this cute little setup with name tags. What the heck? That's my name tag. Here's the host. And we've got Katie and Emily. Crazy story is that the 3 of us met here in Boston, but we're all from the same hometown. How crazy. You don't meet a lot of people from specifically Cobb County.
I guess.
You.
Not, he said, I texted Lainey and I was like, oh.
So here's Udi. Oh, sweet boy. You're so cute. And here's Gaia. Of course, she gets jealous when Otis gets attention, so she comes on over.
189.
Sweet boy.
This goes to go in other times.
Things are a-cooking.
Yes, eat lots of fiber.
We got pasta. We got veggies. We got an Elena. Thanks for cooking us dinner.
Of course.
Oh my god.
Hope it's tasty. Happy spring.
It's a pasta primavera.
Yeah.
I've never had pasta primavera before.
I think it just literally, it just means spring. Spring.
It means spring?
Yeah, primavera is just spring.
Oh my god, so you made it because...
That's because it's spring and Easter.
Oh my god, you did such a good job planning. I didn't even know that.
Yes.
I love when food has story behind
Yes.
it. Look at how pretty.
Lady, can I have your plate?
Yes.
Oh, I meant to grab Lena's
Thank you. Getting princess treatment. I'm on my second drink.
My third, bitch.
I'm a weak girl, a lightweight. Thank you. Yummy. That looks so good.
Hannah Montana.
Katie made cake.
What's her name?
It looks so good.
Her guy friend?
Hi friends, okay, I'm not naked. I just got home from my friend Elena's house and I had such a fun time just hanging out, catching up, and eating a really good dinner that she made for me and made for us. It's like 10:15, I think. Yeah, 10:16. That was like really close. I just washed my face and now I'm doing my skincare. Just really simple. I'm putting on toner and then my ordinary AHA lotion, moisturizing factors plus HA, that's what it's called. I'm not gonna go to sleep just yet. I am going to have some me time because I need to have a little bit of me time today before I go to sleep. I've been hanging out with a lot of people, so in order for me to feel really refreshed, I'm just gonna, you know, chill in bed for a little bit. I'm gonna have my strawberry vanilla Olipop while I'm just chilling, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth, and then eventually I'll go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I will see you in the next one, and I hope you have the best day, besties. Bye!